Well, it's a weekend, it's a holiday weekend, and it's a hot start to the weekend across the valley. Very hot and humid weather here as we get toward the final days of May here coming up. But breezy afternoon still around the next couple of days. I think Saturday just about as breezy as today, maybe Sunday pretty close. So you'll have that going to help cool you off. But if you're outside, just hot, hot, hot. By Monday, we could see some rain or thunderstorms start to roll back in from the north and northwest. So we'll be keeping an eye on a cold front approaching in. Probably not quite the same type of front that came through a few days ago where it actually brought down the humidity, cleared everything out. This one might kind of stay around to our north or nearby and keep maybe a daily chance of rain going for a while and at least bring some clouds to cool us off, but maybe not a drop in the humidity. So it could be fairly wet at times next week coming up. This afternoon, though, it's hot and dry. 97 in Harlingen, 100 in McAllen and Edinburg, and 105 in Rio Grande City. So you take those temperatures, though, add in the humidity, and here's what it feels like. Feels like 114 in Harlingen, 110 in Edinburg, and I don't know if I want to touch it, but oh man, hot, 124. Rio Grande City. Gotta cool my hand off after that. It's a hot day out there across the valley. Now there is a heat advisory in effect. This is because the heat index is so high. There's a lot of humidity in there, and it feels extra hot for Star, Hidalgo, Wilsey, and Cameron counties, except for this little slither right there. We see the color ends along the coast, but this goes until 7 p.m. The heat index during that time will still range anywhere from about 100 to 117 or maybe a little higher. So when it's that hot, like we told you earlier, you always want to slow down, stay cool, stay hydrated. It's a little hotter and more humid than it's been most days lately. Dew points are up in the mid 70s, so it's very humid out there, and as you saw, very hot. The evening will just slowly cool off. We'll still be in the 90s in most areas at 7 p.m. and only falling slowly through the 80s with that light breeze around and the very high humidity. It may not drop below 80 in some areas tonight. It's just going to be a very warm and humid night. Now, the satellite radar shows a lot of sunshine this afternoon. We had some clouds early this morning. We may see those clouds come back early tomorrow morning, but still most of the afternoon's fairly sunny, and most of the weekend afternoons coming up will be fairly sunny. Future track shows, again, just some patches of clouds at times, but a fairly clear start to the evening. We could see low clouds late tonight and tomorrow morning in some areas, and then mostly sunny skies, hot and breezy again, similar to today's temperatures with highs in the upper 90s, some places over 100 degrees. Sunday, maybe a degree or two cooler, if even that, but some early morning clouds and then partly to mostly sunny skies. We may catch a few more high clouds on Sunday, so just that extra slight increase in the cloud cover may knock a couple degrees off the temperatures, but doubtful it will be significantly cooler. Monday is an interesting day, not only because it's a holiday, but it could see some rain appear later in the day. Now, this model run doesn't go out that far, but we could see partly sunny sky most of the day, but it's possible by sometime in the afternoon or evening, we could see some showers or storms develop or try to swing in from the northwest. So kind of keep an eye on Monday as the next significant chance for rain. So dry tomorrow, dry Sunday. We'll go up to about 50% Monday if everything works out correctly with the later afternoon or evening showers and storms possible. And that could actually, those rain chances may continue through Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. Maybe not quite at that level, but your first 7-day forecast shows a hot day tomorrow near 98, but remember some areas will go over 100, especially from about McAllen off to the west. Sunday may be just about the same, a couple degrees cooler at best. Monday for Memorial Day, you saw Future Track, it keeps it dry initially, but I'm willing to bet that sometime later in the afternoon or evening it's possible that showers or storms could blow up. So keep an eye on that because that may be some heavy rain. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, maybe not as high of a chance for rain, but we could be in and out of some clouds, and occasionally a shower or storm may pop up from time to time in the afternoon or evening. So that combination may keep temperatures a little cooler with highs maybe in the upper 80s and lower 90s. But you have to sweat it out the next few days to get to that point because today is hot and tomorrow just about as hot.